like, you see, you are a tutor on Clapingo. People come to learn from you.
How can you tell me a tutor? You are the person who told me that speaker partner.
This is not my... Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yeah, I've been recovering slightly better now. I don't know. I had told you this or not, because before Puja, did we meet? Before Durga Puja, did we meet? Or it's been century now we have met?
Not century exactly, but yes, it's been a long time.
It's been a decade for me.
We met. Yes, more than a weekend, I guess.
So I think 8-10 days back, I fractured my toe, my left toe. So this was just before Durga Puja. So so Durga Puja is like a big time celebrations for us in Bengal. If you are aware of it. So
yes, I'm aware about it.
Yeah, so this time, so I did not have the best of my time, of course, but yeah, so I spent my time with all my learners on Clapingo. So what would I have done, because I would not have gone home. So it was...
Oh my God.
Right.
It's sad, I guess, because as I know that this is the biggest festival in your community, right? You are Bengali, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, madam, I am. I am Bengali.
Hello.
Yeah. So are you?
Okay.
Is there a lag between us?
I didn't get you. Lag? What does it mean?
Is there a delay? LAG. I said lag. Is there a lag? Means, is there a delay?
Yes, I feel so. Yes.
Yeah. I guess that there is a lag. There is a delay.
There is a delay. Yes. Yes, there is.
So not sure. So sometimes I just see your lips moving, and then the words, they reach to me little later.
Yeah, it is happening with me also. I mean, sometimes your screen was just frozen. It's frozen, and I feel like, we lost internet, I guess.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, this could be because of the internet, right? So I thought I would share some great phrases today and idioms today with you. And I was coming across, is it okay if I share them with you?
Yes.
And I'll try to write them down also. And how I usually do it is that I give you the idiom first. This could become, you could be completely familiar with it. And you could be completely unfamiliar also. So both ways are okay with me. If you are familiar, so if you're familiar, you will tell me that where did you come across. If you are not, then victory for me. Then I'll have something new to share.
Okay, then you are here to explain it.
Yeah.
Right?
So and what I'll do is first I'll give you the phrase or the idiom, and then I'll try to give you a sentence. So the first one is to pig out.
Okay, that is one I know. To pig out means to eat a lot.
Yeah. Can you quickly make a sentence? Wonderful. So I'll just quickly paste it. I'm ready with my sentence, so you will say
now. One question I have. What is the second form of pig? I mean, if I want to use in the past, like I'm making a sentence here. In Durga Puja, Bhandara, I pigged out.
Yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Okay. So pigged is the second form of pig.
So you pigged out. Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
And if you had to say this with the verb in the same base form as is, which is there in the idiom, because it is in the first form of verb when we express the idiom in a regular manner. In its ideal form, should I say that? Yeah.
Okay. So let me tell you, whenever I see custard apple, So I can't hold myself and I pig out.
Superb. I have given myself, I always pig out when I go to a restaurant, when with an eat all you can buffet. See, I have used in other sentence also, sir, with an eat all you can.
Okay.
Have you noticed it, Megha? I said I always pig out. I always pig out when I go to a restaurant. When you go to a restaurant with an eat all you can. So because now this word buffet, okay? How would you pronounce, Megha?
Buffet. Buffet.
Yeah, the word is actually in as a Britisher, in British English, it is buffet, and the T is silent. Okay.
Buffet.
Buffet. Buffet. Okay. And in English and in American English, it will be buffet, and there will be an A at the end. Buffet.
Buffet.
Yeah.
I mean, in both language there is no T.
No, the T is always T always gets dropped, but the way that an American would pronounce and the way Britisher would pronounce it will be completely different. So it is buffet for
buffet,
buffet. Yeah, brilliant, superb. And it is A. Just remember that there is a subtle stress on the last part, buffet, when they say that.
Buffet.
Yeah.
Buffet.
Yeah.
Yes.
So somebody,
and in Britain, buffet.
It is buffet. It is buffet. Brilliant. Yes. So that's why I say, most welcome. You did not thank me. So with an eat all you can, I have seen. So see, with an eat all you can buffet, you can use it. So if suppose you are in a party or you have been invited in maybe for a wedding concert or whatever, or wedding party, wedding invitation, and then you said, how was the food? You can say that. So you can always use this. Okay. Yeah, there was a wide eat and all you can buffet, you know.
Okay, could you repeat, please? I just want to repeat.
You can say there was a wide options for an eat all you can buffet.
All right, I got you. Now I will do it. I will take it as a homework.
Wonderful. Megha, you also talk to people who, I mean, they connect with you and they wish to talk to you on your YouTube channel. I perhaps stumbled across a video of yours when you were speaking to a young girl.
Yes, I do so. And I have been doing this practice for since long. Since I started Clapingo.
So I would like to know more about it, Megha. If I have to learn English, then do I have to talk to you then?
Yes, you may. You may participate in this practice as well as a learner, and I will be a teacher over there. So I will play the role of a teacher, and you will be a learner over there. It would be great if I will have such kind of experience. Okay, jokes apart.
I would love to be a learner. I would love to be a learner. You know, I always want to be into that mode, and I prefer to be in that mode only. Rather.
No, actually, I'm just kidding, because you are the one who talked about this, and many people came to me and they say, "Ma'am, I just want to have a conversation with you in order to improve their confidence level, and just to confront nervousness, these kind of things, fear and such things." And after talking with me, I guess they feel a kind of confidence so that they can talk to strangers further. So yes, I ask people if there is somebody like, they are facing such kind of problems, they can contact me, and I will schedule a session with them if they are okay with YouTube only.
So you have been doing this for a long time?
Yes, when I started Clapingo, so the thought I had at that time that practicing on Clapingo doesn't how to say, like enough for me at that time.
Okay.
It was not enough.
When you got started, is it?
Yes, when I got started.
Good.
So I thought that, yes, I thought that I need more practice, and I need to do this practice on regular basis. So I got the idea to ask people, and then people also showed interest in it. Then I started this, and you will be astonished. I think me a lot to have a great confidence, because what happens, like I'm talking to you right now, and I know that you are a tutor and you have more knowledge than me. So I don't know, some or the other way I feel.
Can I tell you something? Sorry to overlap. I never think like that. I don't know whether you will believe me or not. Whenever I meet a learner, I never think that I have more knowledge than the other person. I only share what I know.
What I feel, I'm saying, yes, maybe you are not thinking in this way. I'm not talking.
I never think, I never, because I'll tell you, Megha, I do not know everything under the sky. I think I told you this already, right?
Yes, you told me. I'm saying in terms of having knowledge in this particular language.
Okay, I'll tell you something.
You are a tutor, right?
Yeah, I mean, there could be many speaker partners here who claim like this, that they are experts, and I really respect that, but I do not consider myself as an expert at all. Although I have a lot of credentials. Now, please don't tag it by saying that, sir, you are so humble, you're so modest. Nothing of that sort. What I'm trying to tell you, please understand. Every time I meet a learner, it's not about you only. I feel we kind of feed each other mutually with our knowledge.
Okay, so this is the good thing for you. If, like, you see, you are a tutor on Clapingo. People come to learn from you.
How can you tell me a tutor? You are the person who told me that speaker partner.
This is not my interpretation.
You are the one who said, remember, the speaker partner. Now you have made me a tutor. Very bad.
No, I'm not. You are taking it in wrong way.
I'm just kidding. I'm pulling your leg. I'm saying that I think, Megha, you were the one who had said that I love to
talk with people who love to share their own experience, and they are in love with sharing their knowledge, their experience, and everything. Because I also love to do this.
Yes.
So I agree, but there are many tutors who treat learners that even I have gone through such tutors. They show you that they are tutor. They have more knowledge than you, and in order to show this superiority, they maintain such kind of aura when you don't feel comfortable. This is the truth, because I have confronted so many tutors. I'm telling you what happens when it comes to learn this language. It's completely different to learn other skills, because in India we have different kind of atmosphere for this language, right? And when you show that you are superior, or you maintain a kind of aura where people don't feel comfortable, or people can't express themselves in friendly way or in open way, right? So it creates a barrier. It creates a barrier to learn things. Right now I'm talking to you, I'm very friendly, I feel very comfortable. I can speak anything, whatever. It may wrong, it may correct, it may incorrect, but I don't feel any kind of, I don't have any bad feeling about it. But there are tutors, when I confront them, immediately I get wrong vibes. Okay, and even I cannot express myself in more fluent way. I get stuck a lot. I feel uncomfortable. So this is my experience as a learner.
Very, very sad to hear this, Megha. Very sad, very unfortunate, very sad. I am completely upset to hear this. This should not have happened. So should I say sorry on everybody's behalf?
No, see, there is no need to say sorry. Everybody has their own aura and own interpretation. We can't ask people to behave as per our requirement or our convenience.
No, I'll tell you
But
something.
Yes.
It's not about the behavior.
Huh.
I think our session will get disconnected. I'll definitely carry on. Carry on. You have a back-to-back
Next session. Yes, back-to-back session.
So I'll complete that there only, because otherwise, if I say something, this will not get completed.
Exactly. Yes, it happens with me a lot of time. I want to say something else, and just because of this language, I feel that I interpreted something else.
Yeah.
Or people may interpret in a wrong
different manner, in a different manner.
In different manner.
In a different manner or in a different way. Right. No worries. I'll meet you on the other side, and I'll begin with this only.
Yes.
But I feel little sad when you say that. It should not have happened. I'll come and tell you this, definitely.